Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and hi guys. I'm in Premiering, which is near to Dubai International Airport. Whenever I come to Dubai, I stay over here and I love to sit at the window and take the pictures of Dubai International Airport, aircraft, and the movement of vehicles. Wherever and whenever I traveled, I love to do long transit and record airport. For instance, if I'm traveling to Pakistan and I'm traveling with Qatar Airways, so my preference will be to stay at the Qatar International Airport for a long time so that I can record each and every area of the airport. Similarly, if I'm traveling with Oman, I will try my level best to capture each and every corner of Oman International Airport. I love to record airports and spend time at airports. Other than that, I work on sporting aircrafts, and amazing experience. And I love doing this. See how the life is busy, people are going here and there, amazing infrastructure. Dubai, a city of theme, and whosoever comes over here, if works hard, reaches to the highest level of success. A world to come and explore UAE. Thank you.